Ayan, tuloy nakabili.
Mommy, which
Wait, this one?
No, this one. That I'm looking for this.
Rafi!
You're looking for that. You have to say thank you to Uncle.
Siya?
I was thinking a drink.
Magkano to ganito, te?
Ayaw ko yan. Gusto ko drink.
Ice cream pinabili ko. Ano-ano.
Gusto ko drink.
Magkano to,
What you
te?
get, Bri? Vanilla? Oh, cookies and cream.
Drink lang.
You say thank you, Uncle.
Oyo
You say thank you to Uncle.
Hi,
Eh.
Oyo to, man. Oyo to.
Oh, yes.
It is Oyo cookie.
Yeah. Say thank you first. Say
Thank you, baby.
thank you to Uncle Rosel.
What?
Uncle Russell.
Paborito na yung cookies and cream. Likit talaga, likit. Asan ang basurahan?
Ice cream.
Kasi, nabunot niya yung ipin niya, kaya nakabili ng ice cream.
How can I drink?
Ayan. You want something to drink?
Me too.
Drink, mainom daw siya.
What do you want? Cheeto. Bukas. Baby Cheeto.
What do you want, Raf? Hoy! I'll give them.
Close it.
I want to drink, you mean?
Hoy!
It's a mean, I'm drinking.
You like this one? Brayden have ice cream na.
I don't like that.
Which one you like? Dali!
Yari, ice cream lang pinabili.
Ay, get.
Is it yummy?
Pwede makabili ng tingi? Yakon?
Gusto mo yakon?
No, Brandon have already. Oh, tarong nga ka, matumba. May hagbong na ron. Bray, natatanggal na. Malaglag yan, sabi ko sa'yo. Ayusin mo pagkain, hindi ganyan. Malaglag yan.
Malas mo ba ice cream there? Ay, you have to pay.
Ay, bayad mo na, bayad. Tayo, taro nga nagkaon, kaya ayaw na mahagbong. You have to pay first.
Ano ka yung chichirya?
Hmm?
Bawasan mo na lang dalawa?
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Rosel. No. Thank you, Kuya Rosel, for the ice cream. Taro nga lagi kay mga mahagbong lagi na.
No more chichirya kasi ano, nasa parang.
Ayan, dito kami sa loob ng gabi na. Sa loob ng village na namili kami ice cream kasi nabunot ni Brian yung ngipin niya. Nag-promise pag nabunot daw, bibila ng ice cream. Ay, ayan. Ayan na siya. You are happy? Oh, good. You are happy? Talo nga kay majabo na ilak karon di na ka ma-happy. Are you happy too? So ayan, pauwi na kami guys. Yun lang naman ang pinili namin, ang ice cream. Dahil may nag-promise na bilhan ng ice cream. Ayan, nakabili na napasubo.
My girlfriend is my teeth. Mommy,
Yeah.
you know my
So uwi na kami.
my girlfriend is in my teeth.
Taro nga. Taro nga.
This is my girlfriend.
Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Happy daw siya dahil may nakakaog ice cream. Ano to? Akin din. Meron pala ako? Meron ako? Kasali ako? Sali ako sa, sa ice cream?